What's up, guys? BDigiCrypto here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do a little NiceHash setup. Never done it before. This is good for all you guys that got editing computers, with decent GPUs out there, all you gamers, so on. So yeah, we're just gonna run through it. Let's go to NiceHash here. Click on that guy. So looks like we're at the home page. There we go. So you can, try mining, check your profits, auto detect, or manual selection. Let's do auto detect, download and detect. There we go, we got it right there. Let's click that guy. It's going. Alright, there we go. Looks like we got, there's our CPU, there's our 3060, show earnings. Looks like $2.93 a day. We got some profits here, electric costs. Now, I don't know how they came up with that electric cost, as they probably don't know how much you're paying per kilowatt, but it's probably just an average. Okay, this is what we're going to be mining. It looks like mostly Dagger Hashimoto, Random, X Monero, and Autolycos. It says Octopus, but it's not much, if anything, being that Autolycos is only 1.8%. There we go, we got hash rates here for each one. Alright. Start mining with NiceHash. Looks like we gotta create an account. Dates, I confirm, create account. We'll get rid of that guy. Okay, looks like we gotta go to our email and verify. There's our verification code, verify. Now it wants us to log back in. Alright. Welcome to NiceHash Select Services. Your entire mining home. Alright. Start using NiceHash. No rigs connected yet. Coins in your wallet, transactions, download miner. Recommended for NVIDIA, NiceHash Quick Miner, NiceHash Miner, NiceHash OS. That's Linux, we're not going to use that. We don't have an ASIC. We have NVIDIA, but we also have AMD CPU, so we're going to go with this guy. NiceHash Miner installer. There we go. We'll run that guy. I agree. Finish. I accept. English. Scan with official NiceHash mobile application or log in. We'll just log in here. Oops, where'd we go? There we are. Alright. Looks like it's checking some things. Miner will start soon. Disclaimer on usage of third-party software. I accept. Login performed successfully. NiceHash miner restart is required. I don't think that's going to restart the computer, just this. Looks like it. We're restarting now. There we go. Perfect. And let's go. Here we go. So we're gonna start mining, and hopefully this doesn't kill our screen recording here. So let's check it out and see what happens. And here we go. Here we go. And our miner looks like it's running. We'll watch it here for a second. Looks like we got, what's going on here? New job for Monero. Looks like we're connected to an Euro pool. So yes, it looks like this is XMRig. So this is our Monero miner off the CPU. But we should have pulled up a GPU miner as well. Devices mining to... Oh, okay, there we go. The GPU is still benchmarking. So maybe that'll pop up here in a sec. Oh, here we go. Here's our GPU miner. So now you can see we have both of them going at the same time. CPU running on Monero. The GPU's mining looks like Kapow. What's that? Raven coin, I believe. Let's see here. See if they're going to tell us any mega hash. See what we're running. looks like we're running 19.57 mega hashes right now. We'll let it refresh a little bit, see if it climbs up. It's starting to climb a little bit. $19.6 may be our final hash rate. We'll check back here in a second. Let's minimize these guys. And there we go. So we still gotta wait for it. This will climb up probably a bit, once we get up to full hash rate. But it says we're making $1.92 a day. 2 devices running. We got the CPU here, the GPU there, and so on. So yeah, there you go. That's it. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Hopefully you get through this with no problems. Just be patient. Some things take a little bit to load up. You saw that GPU took a while to benchmark and pop up with the miner. So, just be patient. And yeah, that's about it. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the likes. Help us out. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.